Hello students, it's me again. So now we are with articulation. What is articulation? First, we will talk about the vibration and the non-vibration of the vocal folds. We were dealing with previously with the parts of our body and where are these vocal folds located and how are they? Yeah, they are two muscles that are in this position, open position or closed position. Remember, when they are open, they vibrate. They don't vibrate. Sorry, and when they are closed, they vibrate. Remember that. So this is voice of articulation. What is voice of articulation? One of the ways we are going to classify our sounds. When they are open, they don't vibrate, so they produce voiceless sounds. What are voiceless sounds? The sounds that do not vibrate. And when they are closed, they produce this vibration, and these sounds produced with vibration are called voiced sounds. Close, they vibrate, so they are voiced. With no vibration, they are voiceless sounds. So these vocal folds are open. Okay, please check this. So this is voice of articulation. Voice of articulation is the first way that we are going to use to classify sounds, voiced and voiceless sounds. Now we are moving to a second way of classifying these sounds. This classification is called place of articulation. So remember that I told you before that vowel sounds are just voiced sounds. So we will study them later on. They will be classified by other things, taking into account other aspects like modulation and other things. Okay, we will start with that later. First, we will start with consonant sounds. Okay, so first, consonant sounds we need to know if they are voiced or voiceless, if they vibrate, or if they don't vibrate. And we need to check their place of articulation. We will check the definition for place of articulation later on when we start dealing with consonant sounds. Now we will just know roughly or in a general way these concepts. Okay, so place of articulation is the place where the consonant sounds make their closure or obstruction of the air. We can have many places of articulation where the closure for our consonants can be done. These places are the bilabial place, both lips, labiodental, yeah, lip and teeth, then the dental place, the alveolar place here, okay, the alveolar ridge, remember, the palato-alveolar place, palatal, velar, and then the glottal place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places and add another one, post-alveolar, please, because we will study them in order to study English consonants. Okay, so these were the places of articulation. Then we have our manner of articulation, which is the way the air escapes through this closure made by the places of articulation. Okay, so they can be nasal, lateral, affricate, approximants. Then we have fricative sounds and plosive sounds. Okay, we will check them later when we deal with consonants. So, this is a brief introduction of place, manner, and voice of articulation. Articulation, remember, these are the things that we will take into account in order to classify our consonant sound. So, first you need to check your body parts that are related to speech and then try to remember these parts or aspects of articulation that we will study later, please. So see you in the next video.